walks along the lane, windows glowing through the dusk and the sound of spring rain. People drifting down the street, umbrellas moving slow, tiny rivers on the pavement, silver in the glow. Every drop is softly falling, like a memory we keep. Every quiet little moan, settling so deep.